Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a very quick update for Pepe. And before we're gonna start it, please make sure to read the disclaimer that I'm gonna post. Thank you. Hi and welcome back. So this is our previous chart for Pepe. We have our update on this price right here. As per our previous charting, which you can check on our playlist, we have our support right here. This is a 0.618 from this low to this resistance. We watch out for a possible bounce, or if it's a breakdown, we need to hold the orange line since it can also be an early confirmation that this can be a double top. But anyway, Pepe being built on Ethereum blockchain, it looks like it did its bounce when we have the news about possible approval of spot Ethereum ETF. Anyway, the target will remain the same at the blue line, and since the stochastic RSI is overbought, additionally, the MACD is printing a divergence, we can really have a retraction at the blue line, or again, higher than this range, we can have a 1.618 fib retracement extension right here. Additionally, since volatility is expected for today, then for the support, we can opt for a shallow one around the 0.382 to 0.618. Let's be aware for a possible volatility just like this, a sudden move down, then a move up. You may also comment what are your levels for Pepe, and for other market updates that you might need to know, they will be posted on our community wall. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have some coins for me to chart. Click the notification bell so you will be updated on new videos that I'm gonna upload. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.